Hi, welcome to this video. How to upload Reels on Instagram. To upload the Reel on Instagram, open the app, right? Tap the plus icon at the top left. And instead of choosing post, you're gonna, at the bottom right, choose Reel instead. Okay, so I'm gonna choose this one. Hit next, the bottom right. And you can add audio from the audio library of Instagram. Okay. You can record new footage or choose a video from your gallery. Add music, text, if you will, voice to the reel, captions, if you will, overlay, right? If you want to add another layer of video, then hit next. You can also edit video by hitting edit here at the bottom. Maybe you want to duplicate, right, for length. Hit next. Right? You can add, in the caption section, add hashtags. Maybe you want to add a poll, prompt for something, right? Or link a reel, right? Tag people. You can add a tag or invite collaborators. Live. Choose your location to attract more audience. If it's AI, just turn on the AI label and hit more options to schedule this reel if you want. And turn on, of course, upload at highest quality. Okay, then all you gotta do is just hit next or publish. Okay, and basically that's it. Consider liking this video, subscribing, use high quality content, keep it engaging, add captions, use trending audio, okay, to increase visibility. Until next time, see you.